What's up, you guys? How are you? Everything's okay, man? Guys, I will send the link for my YouTube, my channel, alright? So you can watch my live through YouTube. We have a message, we have a chat on YouTube. You can have send a message on the chat, alright? Just that, just give me 1 minute. Alright, done, guys. So just click on this link and watch my channel on YouTube, right? We have a chat. You can ask me everything that you want. Okay? If you have any questions, just let me know. Send me a message on chat. Okay? Guys, I'm so sorry for my voice. I still getting flu and fever. Alright? Almost 38 degree. So I'm still sick. Alright? Okay, guys, let's start. Let's introduce myself for the beginners. Welcome to everyone again. I'm James Martin. I've been working on Smart for a long time, almost 6 years. And all my knowledge and all my experience on this market, I want to share with you. Because of that, I created this group on Telegram, right? And now I have my channel on YouTube, and I perform lives every day. And all my lives will be recorded on my channel. In all my group, I send signals every day for the morning, afternoon, even nights, right? And the first step for you is just click on the pinned message and watch this video, right? On this video, I'm gonna teach you how to create your first account, alright? How to configure your account, how to change the time zone for you use the same time zone that I'm using for you be able to copy all signals that I send. Without that, you cannot copy any signal. So you need to pay attention and configure your account the best way to copy the signal, right? After that, I teach you how to make your first deposit, withdraw, how to use the martingale, that is a good strategy that you use to minimize our risks, alright? So just click on this link, choose the best passport, the best email for you. Just verify your account, without that you cannot make the other steps as deposits, alright? And when you create your accounts, you're gonna win $50,000 on your demo accounts. I really recommend you to use that, okay? Try to use your demo account, gain more experience, try to copy the signals, use that, learn how to use the best indicator for you, okay? You can count on me. You can send a message and ask everything that you want. After that, you already be more confident. If you want to try, make your first deposit. Okay, the Pocket Shop release for us this promo code 50 starts that you're gonna win 50% on your first deposits. Only on your first deposits. Okay? But the minimal value for it is $50. So 50 starts, $50. Alright? You're gonna win $25 in a total 75. So practice on these demo accounts, and after that try to make some profits using a real money. Alright? And guys, this is a good strategy for you. When you perform this minimal value, you can use only the $25 that you're gonna win off bonus and try to make a profit inside of it without mess with your $50. Okay? So this is a good opportunity for you to start and have a good roll bank. Alright? If you have any question, comments, just click on it and send a message direct to me. Right? So let's continue with that. The next step, guys, as I said, this is all the content that I send on my signal. The first one, UTC-3, that is the time zone. Then you need to configure it to use the same time zone that I'm using, right? Without that, you cannot copy any signals. So the first step, the most important of all, UTC-3. Don't forget to do that, right? Don't make this mistake. Okay? Oh, this is. I think that this is a good one. Just opening here. West T C8F. Alright. So guys, to change our time zone, we have two options. Alright. You can change this through this gear icon directly on time zone, or you can click on the profile. Alright. Go to the profile, settings, time zone, unselect automatic detection, and just select UTC-3. Once you perform that, your page will be reloaded and you are able to see the UTC-3 at the side of your time. Okay? Or just click on this gear icon, time zone, and perform the same steps. But if you're using a smartphone, the profile will be on the left side at the top. Okay? And just click on it, settings, do the same step. Okay? You just need to see the UTC-3 on the broker on the left side at the top right here. Okay? So pay attention, please. We need to use the same time zone, that is the same one that I send all my signals. Alright? So the next steps, guys, is how to then find all the pairs. We need to know we have pairs with OTC and without OTC. All the pairs with OTC is for closed markets. That means we have this same pair in another brokers, right? But each broker has your own charts for it. So all charts will be different, even if you're using the same pair with OTC. Alright? Because that is for closed markets. Because each broker have yours own chart. Okay? Each pair with OTC. So all signals that I send with OTC just gonna work on POC option. Because my analysis is on POC option. Right? Now, if I get a signal, a pair, without OTC, that means this for open markets. These follow up and use the same path in the global markets, the economic calendar, right? So that means this is the same chart for all brokers that exist, right? If you open, oh my god, man, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, guys. If you get this same pair DBP CADs in another brokers, just compare their charts. Will be that is the same chart for all these pairs, alright? Because these pairs just follow up the global markets, okay? Because of that, this is the only pair, it one then, that is close for around 6 a.m., 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. every day on the weekend, on the week, alright? And Saturday and Sunday as well, okay? So this is open markets and with OTC closed markets. So if you try to copy the signal and don't pay attention on this name OTC, you're just gonna copy this wrong. Okay, get well soon, brother. Oh, thank you so much, man. I try just take the medications. Thank you so much, man. Guy, if this is still continue to go down, let's see that if you. Oh yeah, guys, at 620, let's go use the lower button right on it. Yeah. Oh no, just wait, guys. Okay. Let's wait for this candle just to make sure. Now is not the time. Just let's wait. All right. So, guys, return. So to identify the pair is OTC with alpha OTC. You can find of then just click on it on this gear icon. Alright. Currencies. You have all pairs on it. Okay? To perform this list is just click on this favorite outside of the pair, right? Just click on it and you are able to see then right here. Alright? So this is very easy. The next step, guys, is the time. The time on it, all the expiration for all operation that we're going to perform will have 5 minutes of duration. Because of that, I let this on it. Expiration 5 minutes, right? And if you lose, just make up to Gales. That I said, this is a good strategy that you use to minimize our risks. To perform this entry, guys, I always recommend you to perform this 1 second before the exact time. Okay? All time. Okay. All time will have the same seconds. Okay. So when you feel that 59 will change to 00, just click on the button every 1 second before to the time. Alright? Okay. So this is the pair. The lower button, this is the red button, and we have the higher button, the green one, and the time. 5 minutes of expiration, and if you lose, make up to Gales. Okay? And on this time, we have the flag. The flag just work in this way, guys. Independent on the time on this clock here. If I perform an entry right now, this entry will finish exactly at 6:20, right? That means 30 seconds of operation right now if I click on it. If I choose M5 or 5 minutes on it, all operations will have 5 minutes periods, right? So this is the only difference between them. And look at that, the clock not changing yet. Now it's changing. Oh, this is for sure. Let's keep going down, guys. So exactly it's 6:25. Let's click on the lower button. All right. Yeah. Okay. Right here we have our amounts, the payouts for this. If you notice, each pair have your payouts. Okay. So I send this one, guys, right here. Let's wait this two together. All right. Oh my God, man. So the next step, guys, is the time frame and chart types. So this is the next strategy that we're gonna use. Candles. All right. So just change line for candles. Okay. And time frame, just select M5. But I have a good strategy that I like to use. Before to perform an entry, I like to change M5 to M1 just to make sure. How to then define? For example, here I have a downtrend. Alright. How to then find, guys? A green candle inside of that. Just change M5 to M1. Right? Look at that. It's trying to create a green candle. Okay? But it's a red candle. But how this is a red candle and this is a green candle? Because on the chart of M5, that means all candles with 5 minutes. So inside of that, we have another 5 candles of 1 minute inside that. So when we change this to M1, we can see the first candle, second candle, the third candle, and the fourth candle that were created inside of that. Okay? So for example, just imagine the fourth candle and the fifth candle, a green one, and start to go up. And you just click on the lower button, thinking that this trend will be respect the downtrend. And already creating and already click on the lower button. But the candle is trying to go up. So you need to pay attention on it. So I really recommend you before to perform an entry by yourself without copy any signals that I send. Just change M5 to M1. Right? And I recommend you to enable the timer. It's very good. This option here. Right? You can see that. Look at that, guys. Is the fifth candle, the last candle. That means that we'll continue with the downtrend. So this is a good opportunity for us to click on the lower button. Hello, sir. How are you, man? Try to get well. I'm feel sick yet. All right. Still getting flu. Have fever. But we're here. All right. So as I said, wait for the 6:24, 59 seconds. Okay. Just click, guys, on the history on the right side. You can see the exact time that we perform our entry. Look that. Always when you click on the exactly 1 second before, look at the precision. 6:25:00. So every entry, try to perform 1 second before. Try to make this usual for you. Alright. Okay. So this is very good. Guys, I perform my live right now. also on YouTube. So you can click on this link. All right. You that are on Telegram, click on this link. We have a chat on YouTube. You can send a message and ask everything that you want. All right. So it's feel free to perform your question. All right. Hi James, sir. How are you? Hello, Ben. I'm great, man. And about you? Everything's okay? Sir, can you give us some profitable signals? I have a small amount on my account. Yeah, I just sent this one that I got this opportunity. If you miss that, if you not, I think that we have a great chance to win this as a direct win. Alright. And guys, the next one, it's my indicators that I like to use. Alright. As I always repeated that you're not obligated to use the same strategies, the same indicators that I'm not using. Okay? So I like to use MACD, Bollinger Bands, moving average, fractal, and zigzag. Okay? The best for me is Bollinger Bands. Without that, the other ones is so it's not you cannot use that one without that because this take a long period to use, right? So useless without that one. All right. Sir, you are a great person. Thank you so much, Sohab. Thank you so much, man. I try to do my best. Do you come alive daily? May your health recover soon. Yeah, man. I try. But I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Just take the medication. Try to rest in my free time. And let's move on. Alright. Guys, if you want to know more about my indicators, just go to my channel on YouTube and you can watch this video here. This one, right? This have 1 hour and 5 minutes, but I explain it by one of my indicators and how the best time to use that, the best trigger, the best standard. Okay? So you can use that the best way. Alright? Oh look, this was a direct win. Oh man, very good. Very, very good. Woohoo! Very good, guys. Okay. So if you want to know more about indicators, just click on this link and watch this. Right? Guys, and don't forget to activate the notification in both platforms on YouTube and Telegram. Okay? Because when I send the signals and when I schedule my lives, will be notified about that. Right? So just activate that. Okay? Guys, I got a few questions about the economy calendar, right? Just to talk about this very briefly. The only thing that you need to know, guys, the only pair for us that we're gonna have an impact on the economy calendar with that one is just all the pairs without UTC. But how can you use that? All right. How can you use that together with the economy calendar? So let's go, guys. Just let me drink some water. Okay. So let's go. As I said, on weekend and all days, 6 p.m. to 6 a.m., the market is closed. So you can follow this on this. Today, tomorrow, and this week. Okay. Today, Monday. What is the first thing that you need to pay attention on this legend right here? 1 star, 2 star, 3 stars. Take long time ago. This was Little Bulls, alright? The animal bull. Okay? So with 1 star, low volatility expected. And this is high volatility expected. So not impacted and great impacted. So let's find one. This one, USD. Okay? USD, dollar, United States. That means all pairs that we have USD, that means for us that today this will have a great impact that the market will be so unstable for us on this pair, right? So you can find on it, just click on it, USD. All pairs with USD, you can find that right here. All the USD, USD, DPY, DBP, USD, USD CAD, Euro USD, right? With OTC, don't have an impact, just without OTC. So all this one right here are suffering some impact right now. You can see on the payouts. Look at that, USD 45, USD 69, USD 63. Okay, this one 85. So we can avoid to perform the operations on these pairs today. It's obvious. If you just take a look on this and just see that it's have a good opportunity, you're just not gonna miss that because of this. You're gonna try, but we need to pay attention. We need to be careful about that because this saying for us, be careful. This have great impact today for us. Be careful, be careful. All right. In the other pairs, you don't have any impact, right? You can see it tomorrow. Tomorrow, let's see. USD again, right? Euro. Look at that. We have two pairs, two coins on it. So this is will have great impacted. You can see, you can open this and just for knowledge and read that to see what is happening because we have this great impacted on Tuesday, right? Conference board. Consumer confidence measures the level of consumer confidence in economic activity. It is a leading indicator as it can predict consumer spending, which plays a major role in overall economic activity. Higher readings point to higher consumer optimism, right? Higher than expected readings should be taken positive bullish for the USD, while a lower than expected reading should be taken as negative bearish for the USD. Alright? You have all the informations about that. But as I said, the only impact that you're gonna have on it just with this pair. Why? Because all the greater investors will try to buy or sell some actions regarding about that. Okay? So when this starts happening, the payout is gonna changing, the candles is going to up or is going to down, depend of the markets, depend of the buying and selling, right? And we need to pay attention on it. We need to be careful. So just take a look on it and get ready for the rest. Alright? So if you have any question about that, just let me know, guys. Send a message. Don't forget, click on the pin in the message and click on it and try to reach out to me. Don't hesitate it, okay? And if you have some doubt about my indicators, just watch my video. If you want that I explain in the next live, each one my indicator, just let me know and send a message today, right? Guys, I will stop right here right now. Thank you so much for the attendance. I really appreciate your attendance. I hope that you like it so far. Alright? And thank you so much for that. Alright? Have a good day, guys. And see you on the next live. Bye bye. See you, guys.